Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to talk about the power of self-service for application load balancing. Being able to provide your developers with a low-effort way to get load balancing for their applications is a great way to increase their productivity and speed up the development, testing, and release of those applications. We're going to show how this can be accomplished using Aria automation and the new Avi Load Balancer native plugin. I'll quickly show you what the plugin looks like from the perspective of the Cloud Template admin. First, the Cloud Template admin will create an Avi Cloud account in Aria Automation, which will act as the credentials to log into the Avi controller. It will also set a default tenant and cloud connector for the blueprints to use. Next, the admin will drag the Avi objects onto the canvas, which will populate a framework YAML for that object. As they connect the objects together, the YAML will be built out with the appropriate reference fields. The admin will then build this template out with end-user input fields and insert the corresponding variables into the code. The admin will also need to insert any references to Avi objects that weren't created within Aria automation. Now we will show what this looks like as an app dev end user. The user will have a list of catalog objects that can be filtered based on user permissions in Aria automation. Our user will select a load balancing catalog item. They will then be presented with a basic form, no knowledge of load balancing required. The checkboxes show feature-relevant fields if the end user requires them, otherwise they will stay hidden for simplicity. With the click of a button, the user has provisioned an SSL-secured virtual service with a functioning DNS name, no network infrastructure knowledge required, and no waiting for a ticket to be completed. Let's take a look at the load balancer console. We see a virtual service, a pool, and two pool members. We can also see that we have a DNS name created, and finally we can see that our certificate has been applied. Let's test the app. A valid cert, a valid FQDN, and a functioning website. This is the power of combining Avi and Aria automation. In summary, we've shown how a cloud admin can create standardized templates that can then be consumed by an end user with no load balancing experience. Imagine the possibilities of what can be done with these tools. Thank you.